Oh, what's going on? Where am I? Dennis, man, what's happening? Ah, welcome back. Just calm down, Ralph. You're in good hands. What's happened? What am I doing here? You had to have an operation. That's right, and I'm glad to tell you the procedure went absolutely swimmingly. Couldn't have asked for a better result. Procedure? What are you talking about, man? What procedure? We had to do it. You were just getting out of control. What are you talking about? Well, we had to... Had to what? We had to remove your testicles. What? Calm down. Calm down! You chopped off my ball bags. Not my ball bags, man. I didn't want to. You were just out of control. You were just humping everything. Me? Are you serious? Mate, I haven't humped anything. Are you sure about that? Alright, fair enough.